Hello, boys and girls of Year 4. Me again, Mr. Mac, and I'm having a purple phase today because I'm intending to go through some very tricky maths, and I thought if I make myself look as though I'm purple and very intelligent, maybe I will be absolutely brilliant at this very tricky maths. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing something that a lot of people will find very hard. So you might need your extra clever brain on today. You might need the support of a mom or a dad or a nan or a granddad or an aunt or an uncle or a dog, cat or budgie, or perhaps even a calculator. Shh, don't tell anyone I said that. It could be considered to be cheating. And we're going to have a look at some tricky maths to do with missing numbers in sums. Now, it's not as difficult as you think, but it does require a little bit of what we call trial and error. That's where we actually look at something, try something. If it doesn't work, we correct our mistake and we learn from it one step at a time. Let me try and show you what I mean. Here is the worksheet that you're going to be having a go at today. Now you'll notice on the worksheet that it says fill in the missing boxes to make each number correct. Now I'm going to use my purple pen for today, and I'm not using my blue pen for today, and I'm going to have a little bit of a go at some of these sums to see if I can work them out. Now we are working with quite large numbers and we are working with multiplication, so we have to think about our options. Let's look here, for example, on this sum here. 8 times something is 0. Now 8 times 10 is 80, so it could be 80. 8 times 5 is 40, so it could be 5. And 8 times 0 is 0, so it could be 0. Which one shall we try first? So I'm going to try 8 times 5, because I can't fit 10 into that box. So I'm going to try 8 times 5 first. So I'm going to put a 5 in here, and let's see if the sum works. 8 times 5 is 40. That's 0. Exchange the 4. Okay. 8 times 9. Now look, I know my 8 times table and my 9 times table. So 8 times 9. Oh, 8 times 9 is actually 72. So it can't be that, because 72 plus 4 would be 76. So it's not 5. Darn it, I've gone wrong there. Luckily I can do a bit of a magic clear on mine, so hopefully I can remove all of my mistakes and I can start again. But it doesn't matter if we've crossed it out, it doesn't matter if we've made a mistake, as long as the answer is right in the end, it works. So let's try again. Let's try a 0 in here. 8 times 0 is 0, tick. 8 times 9 is 72, tick. Hey, we got that one right. Brilliant. Didn't get it right first time, but that's okay. We tried it again the second time. Okay, let's have a look at the second one. Well, I know that 2 times 7 is 14. If it's 14, the 4 goes in the units column, and then I exchange the 10 into the tens column. Okay, so 2 times something plus 1 is 7. Don't forget this 1 that's here. So 2 times something plus the 1 is 7. 2 times 3 is 6. So 2 times 3 is 6, and if I add the 1, that makes 7. So 2 times 7 is 14, exchange the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. So 2 times 37 is 74. Don't forget, I can always check that on a calculator, or ask mum or dad to have a look on their phone and use the calculator on their phone to work it out, or maybe use the calculator in their heads, because of course mums and dads are very, very clever people. Okay, next one. Let's have a look. What have I got here? I've got something times 1 is 6, and something times 7 is 42. The whole answer here is 426. Right, so let's think. Well, the obvious answer to put in here is 6, because 6 times 1 is 6, but it might not be the answer. Don't panic if it's not, because we can always go back to the drawing board. Let's check. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, that's all looking good. 6 times 7, hey, if you're in my class, you'll know it's on the wall. We know it's one of the ones that we've checked many times. 6 times 7 is 42. Ba-boom. So 6 times 71 is 426. Hey, maybe this isn't quite as difficult as we thought it was going to be after all. Okay, let's just do one more before you guys have a go. Don't forget, you can always come back to this video and check your first answers as well. But let's try this one out. Now, 7 times 9 is 3. Okay. I don't know off the top of my head what 7 times 9 is going to give me the answer 3 at the bottom. So I need to think very carefully about what my answer is going to be. 1 to 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63. So 7 9s are 63. So this is a 3 here. But if it's 63, then I'm going to have to have exchanged the 6. So it'll be under here. Okay, so 7 times something plus 6 is going to give me the answer 48. What is 8 take away 6? So if I take 6 away from 8, it'll be 2. So the answer to this sum here needs to be 42 because I've then added the 6. So what 7 times what is 42? Hey, hang on a second. Look back over here. 7 times 6 is 42. So this must be a 6 in here, mustn't it? 7 times 6 is 42, plus the 6 is 48. So 7 times 9, 63. 7 times 6, 42, plus the 6 is 48. So the answer should be 483. Again, I might want to check that on a calculator, just make sure that I've got it right, but I'm pretty confident that we're okay on this. Boys and girls, it is a little bit complicated, this. Don't forget you can go back and try again if it doesn't work, if it doesn't succeed. You can always double check on a calculator and maybe sit with mum or dad whilst you're going through these. Remember to write down your exchanges. Remember to write the sum out in full. And remember, the best thing you learn from are your mistakes. Try it. If it goes wrong, try it again. And when you know that it's right and you've got the right answer, then you know you're on the right lines. Enjoy, work hard, have fun, and we hope to see great successes on the advice@mapledean.com email address very, very soon. Looking forward to seeing great work, guys. Keep doing it. And whatever you achieve today, remember, you've done really well. You're doing amazing. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.